How to log into Barclaycard credit card account online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Barclays is a British multinational universal bank headquartered in London, England. If you want to log into your Barclay credit card account, you want to head over to any web browser, then search for Barclays. Now click on this website, which is barclays.co.uk. Once you're on this website, you want to click on the option of Login. Once you click on this option, you're going to find several options here for logging in. You want to select the one that says card number. Now over here, you want to enter the last name. After you have entered your last name, on this box, you want to enter the credit card number. Enter the 16-digit number here. Then check this box if you want to remember your last name and the card number. Once you have entered all the details, click on the continue option, then follow the on-screen prompts and you will be logged into your Barclaycard credit card account. Now if you have not created your account, you can click on the option of register now. Then you want to go through all of this, click on the option of start, then follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.